Hey Dave, this is my project, and let me show you what I got. So my main, or anywhere, you can set the settings for the text input. So the character size, the length of the box, its position, as well as the label. And I'll show you an example. So here we have two different text inputs. When you click on one, it'll highlight and its cursor will blink. And you click off, or just click another one, it'll go away. And we can type. We can also backspace. And then we also have the color coding. So flip Paolo equals 14.5 times 1. Yeah. Oh, and also it will go onto the limit of the box as well. Okay, so it's a little off, but that's because of the text font. Some issues that I had. Really, I just, for the life of me, I just could not be able to figure out how to implement snapshot history. I've spent hours and hours and hours just circling in my mind, just trying to figure out how to piece it all together. But unfortunately, I couldn't, which sucks. Which means that I'm not able to undo. But yeah. But you know, this project was kind of tough. I'm glad I was able to get things done, like a GUI component and like the color coding with the keywords. That took way too long than it should have, but I'm glad I did. But yeah, that's my project. See you around.